Now, the Occupy Wall Street movement has shined a big, bright light on money. Who has it, where it goes, who doesn't have it. It's created a lot of questions about the big banks.
Just yesterday, consumer activists in Oregon launched a website trying to get you to reward local community banks and credit unions and move away from large national banks.
Right, and News Channel 8's Pat Doris took a deeper look and found it's not so easy to judge who has the bigger impact on our communities. It's our focus of 4 today. Pat? What'd you find out?
Well, Reggie, Steph, the website gave a credit union in Tigard one of its highest awards. Wells Fargo didn't make the list at all. But who really has a bigger impact locally?
The Oregon Bank's local website is supported by 5 advocacy groups, including Portland Jobs with Justice and Working Families Organization. Steve Hughes helped launch the site. It has one main mission:
to draw attention to the need to support local banking institutions and credit unions because of the way they give back to our community.
The site ranks banking institutions based on whether they are owned locally, have their corporate headquarters in Oregon, have 2/3 their branches in the state, and 1/5 of their assets in small business loans. Northwest Preferred Credit Union in Tigard is one of the 2 Portland area businesses to get the top ranking.
Well, we're thrilled. It's great to be acknowledged for something that we've worked hard at, and that's to give support to the people and the businesses we serve in the insurance community here in the Pacific Northwest.
The credit union is open only to people working in the insurance business. Much of its money is loaned out locally to help those members. Preferred has 35 employees, 9,000 members, and $110 million in assets. None of the state's biggest banks made the list for Oregon Banks Local. At Wells Fargo, the regional president would beg to differ.
Last year was a great year for us, almost 80,000. We had 77,000 hours in volunteerism. And we're on the road to a record volunteer year again this year, so we're very proud of that.
Don Pearson points out that Wells Fargo employs 6,300 people in Oregon and Southwest Washington, that it's the #1 mortgage lender in the state and the #1 small business lender in the state. It has more than $9 billion in deposits in this region, and last year donated $3 million to local causes. $2 million of that came from employees themselves.
We have team members that live here. We have team members that work here. We make our decisions locally. Our decisions are made here in the marketplace. Our giving is here in the marketplace.
It's too soon to know whether the website will influence many consumers. People I talked with on the streets had mixed views. Some do favor credit unions, but others said it didn't really matter. They cared more about convenience for branches and ATMs. Back to you.
All right, Pat, thanks so much. Now, Saturday is this big day.